I think I'm falling. Well, I might need someone to lean on. Maybe that somebody is you. You could be my parachute. Promise I'll jump if you catch me. Been floating so long, won't you let me love?
Si Kevin, tahimik siya, pero may kalokohan din sa na tinatago. Tapos, kahit medyo maloko, pagdating sa pamilya, ano siya, mapagbigay, ganun. Tapos lagi niyang pinapriority yung kapakanan ng pamilya. Weightless for a moment, I'm tumbling fast through thin air, but I'm not scared. So tell me when your heart is ready, I'll give you my all if you let me.
Malayo man sa'yo, lagi kang pahalagahan, lagi kong babalikan ang araw na ito at hihilingin sa Panginoon na tayo'y patatagin. Ikaw lahat nakakaalam ng mga pinagdadaanan ko. Alam kong mahirap para sa atin ang malayo sa isa't isa. Away bati, pero di naging hadlang ang distansya. Hindi ako magsasawang banggitin ang salitang I love you. Mamahalin kita hanggang sa pagtanda.
Noon kapag tinatanong ako kung bakit ikaw, hindi ko alam ang sagot. Pero ngayon, natutunan ko na ang dahilan dahil para sa akin, ikaw dahil ikaw ang binigay ng Panginoon, ikaw dahil kung hindi ikaw ay magwawakas din, at ikaw dahil kung hindi ikaw ay pipilitin ko pa rin maging ikaw. Sabi niyo ang ganda ko. Ay, everyday look lang to.
I stared through the crowds, just out of reach. You're wearing a sunshine, my dream on the beach. I fell for you, and I think I'm falling still. I love you so true, and I know I always will. Look at me, you're my beach dream, baby. Look at me, you're my beach dream, baby. We sleep in the waves like they're our bed. I hear every song you play in your head. I fell for you, and I think I'm falling still. I loved you so true, and I know I always will. Look at me, Look at me, you're my beach dream, baby. 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 Yeah, look at me, you're my beach.
Palakpakan natin mga kapatid, Kevin at Princess Asmin bilang ating pagbati.